Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with Gaggia Academia, and this machine was brought in because even though the door was closed, the machine didn't think that it was, and discovered that inside the door, one of the sensors had actually just kind of fallen and was not in the correct location, and so it couldn't connect to the sensor that's in the actual body of the machine. And the second reason the machine was brought in is because it was having a leak inside. There's a device in here, it's called the chroma enhancer, and it was cracked and leaking, so we replaced it, and now everything's functioning once again. You can see that the machine knows the door is closed. Pull a shot. Alright, looking good. That's about 1 ounce. For espresso, we can test the other functions while we're at it, like steam. Alright, there is the steam, and we'll also test the hot water function. There it is. Alright, there you have it. Gaggia Academia functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.